Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to Zain Facts Channel, where we make science fun and easy to understand. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of how two scientists discovered the structure of DNA, the very blueprint of life itself. Let's meet our heroes, James Watson and Francis Crick. Meet James Watson, an American biologist with a love for birds, and Francis Crick, a British physicist who loved to ask big questions. Together, they made one of the greatest scientific discoveries of the 20th century. But hold on, before we dive into their discovery, let's set the stage. It's the early 1950s, and scientists know that DNA is important for genetics, but no one knows what it looks like or how it works. Imagine trying to understand how a car works without ever seeing one. One day, Watson saw one of Franklin's photos, famously known as Photo 51. This photo was the key. It showed a distinct X-shaped pattern which hinted that DNA had a helix shape. Watson and Crick got to work. They built models out of sticks and balls, trying to piece together the structure of DNA like a three-dimensional puzzle. And then, in 1953, they did it. They discovered the double helix structure of DNA. Now let's take a moment to appreciate Rosalind Franklin's contribution. Her work was pivotal, and without her Photo 51, the discovery might have taken much longer. She used her expertise in X-ray crystallography to capture the most critical piece of evidence. Franklin's attention to detail and precision were legendary. She was known for being a bit stern, but that's because she was so dedicated to her work. Her photographs of DNA were like gold nuggets for Watson and Crick. For their incredible discovery, Watson, Crick, and another scientist named Maurice Wilkins received the Nobel Prize in 1962. Unfortunately, Rosalind Franklin had passed away by then and didn't share the prize, but her contribution was invaluable. Fun fact time: did you know that the discovery of DNA structure led to the development of genetic engineering? That means we can now modify organisms for better crops, medicine, and more. It's like having superpowers. Another cool fact: your DNA is 99.9% identical to everyone else's. That tiny 0.1% difference is what makes you unique. It's like having a recipe for cookies where just a pinch of extra sugar or a dash of cinnamon makes a completely new flavor. Watson and Crick's discovery revolutionized biology and medicine. Today we use DNA for everything from solving crimes to diagnosing diseases to exploring our ancestry. All thanks to the curiosity and teamwork of these amazing scientists. So next time you think about what makes you, remember the story of Watson, Crick, and Franklin and the discovery of DNA. Thanks for watching Zain Facts Channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun science stories. Stay curious, everyone.